This honey wheat brown bread may look familiar because it's just like the bread they serve at the Cheesecake Factory. It does take some time to make, so I won't say it's a quick recipe, but it will be so worth your time. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. Add warm water that is around 110 degrees, yeast and sugar to a large bowl and stir until combined. Let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes until a foam forms on the surface. Using a stand mixer with the paddle attachment, pour the bread flour, whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, espresso powder, and salt, and mix until all ingredients are combined. Add in the yeast mixture, softened butter, honey, and molasses. Mix until the dough forms. Switch out the attachment and use a dough hook and continue mixing for about 10 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl and cover with Saran wrap for 2 hours or until it rises. Flatten the dough and then cut into 6 pieces. After the dough is cut into 6 pieces, flatten the dough. Transfer and shape the dough onto a lined baking sheet. Make sure you leave enough room in between them since they will rise and spread out. Add some water to the surface of the dough and then add oats. Spray the tops of the bread with cooking spray and cover with Saran wrap for 1 hour to let it rise again. Remove the Saran wrap and bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.